Welcome back to RV World, where we bring you the latest and most innovative ideas from the world of tiny living, RVs, and mobile lifestyles. If you're passionate about compact design, smart solutions, and freedom on wheels, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Let's dive into what 2026 has in store for tiny homes. The future of compact living is more exciting than ever, with smarter technology, sustainable materials, and some truly wild design ideas that make living small feel like living large. First up, 3D printed tiny homes are set to become more accessible and customizable in 2026. With advancements in printing materials and faster construction times, you can now have a durable, eco-friendly home printed in under 48 hours. These homes are made with recycled concrete or bioplastics and come with modular interior features that you can snap into place. Another trend that's growing rapidly is the off-grid smart home system. We're talking about solar arrays with AI-based energy management, water recycling setups, and air filtration units that make your tiny home fully independent. You can live almost anywhere, deep in the forest or on a quiet beach, while staying connected and sustainable. For those who love to travel, 2026 is bringing some mind-blowing innovations in mobile tiny homes. Think expandable units that double their size with the push of a button. Some use telescopic walls, others use slide-out panels like RVs, but smarter and more compact. You park, press a button, and your 200 square feet home becomes 400. Designers are also embracing biophilic design, integrating nature into every part of the house. Living walls with built-in irrigation, green roofs that cool your space naturally, and floor-to-ceiling windows that blur the line between indoors and out. This isn't just about looks, it's about mental health, air quality, and a deeper connection to the natural world. Storage solutions are getting smarter too. We're seeing furniture that transforms in ways you've never imagined. Beds that fold into tables, stairs that become drawers, and couches that convert into full workspaces. In 2026, your furniture will do more than just sit there, it'll actively support your lifestyle. Modular design is also taking a leap forward. New snap-together building systems let you reconfigure your home whenever you like. Need an office? Snap on a module. Baby on the way? Add a nursery module. It's Lego for grown-ups, but stylish, insulated, and built to code. Then there's the rise of floating tiny homes. Whether it's retrofitted houseboats or ultra-modern buoyant pods, these homes are ideal for those who want to live near or on the water. In 2026, they come with stabilizing systems and desalination units, making them viable for long-term living on lakes or even the ocean. Interior styles are also evolving. Minimalism is being blended with warmth, using natural woods, warm lighting, and soft textiles to create cozy yet uncluttered spaces. The focus is on psychological comfort, not just fitting everything into a tiny space, but making it feel truly like home. Automation is everywhere. Voice-activated systems now manage lights, temperature, security, and even furniture placement. Imagine saying, "bedroom mode," and your home rearranges itself from office to sleeping quarters. This kind of adaptive tech is no longer science fiction, it's standard in many 2026 designs. For eco-conscious builders, reclaimed and natural materials are becoming mainstream. Bamboo flooring, cork insulation, hempcrete walls, all renewable, non-toxic, and beautiful. These materials aren't just sustainable, they perform better than traditional options and give your home a unique look. Tiny homes are also getting smarter on the outside. Smart siding that changes color with the weather, self-cleaning roofs, and exterior panels that generate solar power are just some of the innovations to look out for in 2026. These features make your tiny home more efficient and lower maintenance. Then there's the community aspect. Tiny home villages are popping up everywhere, shared gardens, community workshops, and pooled energy resources. In 2026, many of these communities are offering co-living features and shared amenities like fitness centers, co-working pods, and even communal kitchens for large gatherings. For extreme climates, 2026 brings climate-adaptive tiny homes, units with insulated shells, built-in thermal mass, and smart windows that tint or open automatically based on weather. Whether you're in a snowy mountain or a scorching desert, your home adapts to keep you comfortable with minimal energy use. Design-wise, we're also seeing more geometric and futuristic forms. Domes, triangles, hexagonal pods, all designed for structural integrity, energy efficiency, and aesthetic impact. These homes don't just save space, they stand out. And let's not forget the rise of hybrid models, RV tiny home crossovers. These combine the best of both worlds, road-ready chassis, plus the comfort and design of a traditional small home. Ideal for people who want the freedom to move but without giving up the cozy feel of a stationary home. As we move deeper into 2026, the tiny home lifestyle is becoming more than just a trend, it's a movement. A movement towards sustainability, smart design, and intentional living. Whether you're a digital nomad, a downsizer, or just someone who wants more from less, the future of tiny homes is bright, beautiful, and full of possibilities. Thanks for watching RV World, your home for big dreams in small spaces. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your tiny living community. Got a favorite idea or design trend for 2026? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, keep it compact, smart, and adventurous.